Today I'm gonna show you how to make this, to make your videos go viral with After Effects. Follow my steps and make sure to watch till the end. So today I'm gonna show you how to create an animated outline glow in Mocha Pro using a clip of Nikki. So let's get started. So first of all, you need Mocha Pro. If you don't have it, check it in the description down below. Then go to Effects and Presets and type in Mocha Pro. Drag it into your clip, put the resolution in full, then launch Mocha Pro. Now click on Create New Mask, click on the character till it's fully covered. This will be enough. Then click on the pick tool. Always make sure Generate Object Matte is activated and let it render. Now that it's done, save it and close it. Apply matte, dilation quality to high quality and feather to 7. Duplicate the layer and remove Mocha Pro from the second layer. Then click on the first layer, go to Layer, Auto Trace. These settings are good. Press OK and let it render. Now that it's done, put the Auto Trace layer in the middle, go to Effects and Presets and type in Saber. If you don't have Saber, check in the description down below. I have a link with Saber. Drag Saber to the second layer, then go to Customize Core, click on Core Type, Layer Mask, then go to Render Settings and put, instead of black, transparent. Now choose your favorite preset. I'm gonna go with Core. I'm gonna increase the glow intensity. You can also animate it. If you go to Start Offset, click on Clock, put it on 100, then go to the end and put it on 0. And now let it render and you can see it's animated. And now you can play with the settings. You can choose whatever you want as animation. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know what you'd like to see next. See you in the next one.